Welcome back to Product Critique, your source for the latest tech reviews. Today, we're diving into the EVGA 700BR power supply. Whether you're a beginner or an enthusiast, this power supply has something to offer. So, let's get started. But first, let's unbox this power supply and see what's inside. You'll find the EVGA 700BR power supply, along with some documentation. Now, let's explore what makes this power supply stand out. The EVGA 700BR is all about reliability. It's 80+ bronze certified, ensuring it operates at 85% efficiency or higher under typical loads. This means you get reliable and efficient power for your PC. When it comes to protecting your components, this power supply has you covered. It features heavy-duty protections, including OVP, UVP, OCP, OPP, SCP, and OTP. Your PC's components are safe and sound. With 700 watts of continuous power, the EVGA 700BR is more than capable of handling the demands of modern PCs. Whether you're building a gaming rig or a workstation, this power supply has the muscle to keep everything running smoothly. EVGA is known for quality, and the 700BR is no exception. It's designed to be a solid foundation for your system, ensuring that you can rely on it day in and day out. Measuring just 5.91 by 5.51 by 3.35 inches and weighing only 4 pounds, this power supply is compact and easy to install in your PC case. It won't take up much space, leaving you with more room for other components. So, there you have it, the EVGA 700BR power supply. It offers reliability, efficiency, heavy-duty protections, and 700 watts of continuous power in a compact form factor. If you found this review helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech reviews from Product Critique. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts on this power supply, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next review. Stay powered up, and until next time, this is Product Critique signing off.